Tonight, at the main event, live, October 1st, you know what it is. It's Taco Tuesday! Taco Tuesday!
When I tell you this game tastes amazing. Best recipe hands down did so far. You guys gotta try this. Best recipe so far. That's great. What's up, YouTube? It's Taco Tuesday, as you can see. I want to thank you guys for coming through to the video. Stick around to see how to make the best vegan tacos on YouTube. If you like the video, like the video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let's get it. Okay, so today, guys, we're making the vegan tacos. We're using Light Life ground. So I haven't did this brand on the channel yet, but it's pretty good. And we're using old El Paso taco shells, hard and soft. And then we just got some regular taco seasoning. I'm gonna show you guys how I whip it up. We got our special ingredients gonna go in there. Let's get okay, first step in the process, we got our ground right here. It looks basically like Beyond Meat to me. So we're gonna just go in. We turned our eye on medium to high heat. It doesn't really smell like Beyond Meat. It smells like real meat, like I don't know, like a fishy type. But it don't taste fishy, so it's all good. We got our ground in there. And we just gonna brown this like regular meat. It's simple. Okay, so we just letting our meat brown. Since we only got it on medium heat, it's not cooking too fast. Okay, so now we got our meat browned, our plant-based meat browned. We're gonna open up our taco seasoning. I'm just using the original taco since it's vegan and simple. None of all them extra ingredients. And you're just gonna go in, add it all over your tacos. I got a little bit under a cup of water. Now this is plenty. I like a lot of taco seasoning on my meat, so. Go in, add a little water, and you're just gonna stir it up. Simple. And you'll notice it starts smelling just like taco. It's amazing. Amazing smell. That's why we didn't add any seasonings before, because we already added this, and it's about the perfect combination for your taco meat. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. I had my camera still on slow motion mode when I was cutting up the green pepper. But we got the red pepper. So, well, the sweet bell peppers. Still got them to cut up. And it's just as simple. Let me get where you guys can see. Just take off the stalk at the top and cut out the edges. And then once you cut that first one, you'll be able to see inside of it so you can avoid the seeds. Simple as that. Just want to avoid them seeds for easy cleanup. Simple as that. You're really just trying to get them cut up. That's all you're doing. Okay, I got some baby Bella mushrooms I'm gonna add in. I'm dropping all over the place. And just like that, we got our green peppers. And then we got our bell peppers, the red and the yellow, oranges one. And we got some mushrooms right there, just a little bit of mushrooms. So you can see our plant-based meat came out great. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the bell peppers and all the different peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of them to the mix. There are some of our mushrooms. As I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. And I add it to the mix. That way you can just go through and cook them a little bit. I'm just gonna stir it and mix it up. Cook all that flavor into the Beyond, well, not Beyond Meat, so you're just cooking Beyond Meat, into the Light Life meat, which I'm really liking. It's coming out great. Turns out just like regular ground beef. I mean, who could tell the difference? Throw some onto the other side of the pan, cook by itself that I can add as toppings later, if I decide to. I don't have enough. Okay, after we let that go for a few minutes, just on the medium, we're not trying to burn it up. We got some Follow Your Heart. Let's see if I can get this in the camera. Follow Your Heart dairy-free cheddar shreds. So this is our cheese alternative. I got this from Harris Teeter. Tastes great. I already tasted before. We got that nutritional yeast. This is gonna top off that cheesy flavor. It's gonna make it, everything in there cheesy. You just throw that on top. I promise you, it's gonna give it that real, like a nut cheesy flavor. Tastes just like cheese, smells like cheese. And you're just gonna stir that in. You don't need that much. Okay guys, now we got our mix all mixed together, all our meat and everything, our plant-based meat. Now we got all that ready. We're just gonna go in with some old El Paso, hard and soft. That came out amazing. Plate them however you like. Made a mess, but it still comes out great. Look at that. Our tacos came out great. We'll come back in a second for a taste test. So make sure you stick around for that. Get a few photos, and then we can get it. Okay guys, the tacos came out great. They're looking lovely. I mean, I can't complain. Everything came out good. Let's get into the taste test. They came out looking great. Look at that. Soft. I like mine, like the soft taco, but I mean, them hard tacos, they looking good too. So, got everything. Let's get this taste test in. Still hot. There we go. I be so good at cooking, like sometimes I surprise myself. That is amazing. I guarantee you, these are the best vegan tacos on YouTube. I'll probably eat this whole plate and I'm not even that hungry. I still gotta go work later. Got our soft taco.
Taco Tuesday.
When I tell you these things taste amazing. Best recipe hands down I did so far. You guys gotta try this. Best recipe so far. That's great. You guys gotta try this recipe. Absolute best recipe I did so far. All the other ones are great. Y'all gotta give me a like for this video. Go ahead and like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, because we're gonna be making amazing recipes just like this one. I mean, I don't see why people can't go plant-based. This tastes just like regular tacos. You cannot tell the difference. Taco Bell don't even give you real meat anyway, but we ain't gonna get into that. So, I wanna thank you guys for coming through to the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell for the notifications for every video that I upload, as soon as I upload it. And you also can go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what's the next one you want to see. What's the next recipe that you guys would like to see. This one came out amazing. You have to try it. Go ahead and save the video until you watch later so you can come back and try the video once you have the ingredients. I have them down in the description. Thank you for coming through. Thank you definitely for sticking around this long. Peace.
Taco